Hello Keystone Nation, I'm Scott Taylor, the product manager for the Cougar division at Keystone RV. In today's video, we're going to showcase the future of the family bunkhouse travel trailer, the all-new 30 BHS. Versatility was the #1 goal when we designed this floor plan. Whether you're camping with your significant other or a family of 10, this floor plan has it all inside and out. And at just over 34 foot and 7,100 pounds, this floor plan will virtually fit in any state or national park. Welcome to the future of camping. So let's dig right in. The old style of bunkhouse offered very little kitchen or even living room space. Bunks were shoved back in the corner right next to the tightest bathroom with the smallest bathroom vanity. The 30 BHS couldn't be more opposite than that. We took our top-selling couples coach, the 25 RDS, with its wide open kitchen and wide open living room layout, and added bunks to the rear. Not only that, we added the industry-leading exterior storage in the travel trailer. This wide open, inviting layout offers freedom and flexibility for the large families on a rainy day, or even the occasional popcorn and movie night. So what makes the 30 BHS different is Cougar's all-new Ready for Anything dinette. This dinette has it all and more. Unlike conventional U-shaped dinettes, the Ready for Anything dinette allows for more legroom, comfortably seating up to 6 adults. Because the table is mobile, the dinette can be turned into an L-shaped lounge for more seating on those rainy days, or it can also turn into a sleeper sofa for 2. The functionality is endless. This table can be used as a TV tray, a coffee table, or even additional food prep space inside the trailer or out. Lastly, both seat bottoms have built-in storage for cases of water or your favorite beverage of choice. The Ottoman even has built-in storage, great for storing blankets. The roomy and wide open cabin is great for hosting family and friends. But this floor plan is also set up with the optional theater seat facing the TV. And because the TV is built using a swing arm mount, the TV viewing is great from the lounge or even the bunk area too. And what is a movie night without a cozy fireplace, which is standard on the 30 BHS, unless it's really hot outside. In that case, you'll want the AC. And all Cougars are standard with the 15,000 BTU Q Series AC. Q meaning quiet. It's so quiet you won't have to turn the TV full blast just to hear your favorite movie. In addition to the king-size bed in the master bedroom, the main cabin offers up to 6 more additional sleeping spaces with the 2 oversized bunk beds plus the Ready for Anything dinette. When equipped with the tri-fold sleeper sofa in place of the theater seats, you get 2 more sleeping spaces, bringing that total up to 10 people. So here we are in the kitchen. Traditional bunkhouse floor plans lack storage and most of all, kitchen countertop space. The kitchen in the 30 BHS has a deep floor-to-ceiling pantry, dedicated trash can storage, and best of all, over 10 foot of countertop space. Another important feature of the kitchen in the 30 BHS is having access to the refrigerator when the slides are in while traveling. Before we leave the main part of the cabin, it's important to note the views you're going to have of your campsite. The main cabin has 9 windows, and with the windshield on the front, you'll have 360-degree view of your campsite. Another improvement is the spacious bathroom with the 38-inch walk-in shower, the oversized medicine cabinet, and the bathroom vanity for 10. And because we added a second entry door to the bedroom, you now have access to the bathroom when the slide-outs are in. Peeking into the master bedroom, you'll see the oversized window directly above the king bed. There's also space for a TV and prep for a second air conditioner. We even added inverted outlets to both sides of the bed so that you can run a CPAP machine when equipped with an inverter or the upgraded Solar Flex 400 package. While the inside of this floor plan is amazing, it's time to go outside and show all your neighbors why they're going to have campsite envy. Let's talk setup. We've done 2 things in this floor plan that make it super easy for campers to set up their campsite. First being the InCommand system. InCommand is a smart technology system that allows you to extend not only your slide outs, but your awning and now your auto level, all from an app on your phone. And auto level is super simple. It's a push of a button and in 3 minutes your travel trailer's level all by itself. That's not a common feature found on most travel trailers. And it's true what they've said. Once you go auto level, you just never go back. Moving on to storage, how about 50 cubic foot of storage? Not only is there full pass-through storage in the front of the trailer, but we also added a full pass-through storage in the rear of the trailer as well. When the lower bunk is flipped up, you now have great space for those bikes, coolers, outdoor games, and even those large zero-gravity chairs. In addition to that, every Cougar travel trailer comes with an accessory hitch rated for 300 pounds. Lastly, let's talk about our outdoor living area. The 30 BHS also comes standard with the outdoor kitchen, which includes the Capital Grill 2-burner cooktop and the refrigerator, which is hooked up to an inverted outlet, meaning if your trailer is equipped with an inverter or if you have the upgraded SolarFlex 400 package, you can run that refrigerator while you're going down the road. There's tons of living space underneath the 19-foot awning, where you'll also find an outdoor TV hookup area as well. Well, I hope you're as excited as we are about the 30 BHS. For more information on Cougar floor plans and features, please visit us at www.keystonerv.com. Thanks for watching.